From catching defects to guiding robots, vision systems are the eyes that drive modern manufacturing. Vision systems use cameras, sensors, and image processing software to capture and analyze visual data, ranging from simple setups to complex systems with 3D imaging and AI for intricate tasks. Let's discuss the types of vision systems. The 2D vision system, which includes area scan cameras inspecting stationary objects like barcodes or QR codes, whereas the line scan cameras are best for continuous processes like surface defect inspection. Then there's the 3D vision system, which includes laser triangulation, which is best for precise 3D measurements, whereas stereo vision is great for depth perception. Structured light is ideal for high-resolution inspection of 3D models and complex surfaces. There's robotic vision system, suitable for automated tasks, machine vision system ideal for quality control and process monitoring. Smart cameras stand out for their cost-effective inspections. Thermal imaging systems monitors temperature and detects overheating and insulation failures. Multispectral imaging systems are used to sort material and check product consistency. Lastly, hyperspectral imaging systems capture a wide spectrum of light beyond the visible range, providing detailed material analysis. Discover how vision systems can transform manufacturing. Learn more at i4verse.com or contact us today.